I mean, I had open lane, and I'm a freak of nature, and why not to show my athleticism?
Rebound by Porter. And Gordon will take it. Rollicking down the lane. Oh, the big man drops the anvil. And a good start.
And a good start for Minnesota. Look at Jokic there with the finish.
Racing the other way. Back away. Caldwell Pope. Here comes the big man.
For the Lakers right there after that golden opportunity missed. Jokic, that's a slam over James.
No doubt on that one.
Third best player for the Lakers in their playoff run last year.
He really came into his own last year in the postseason. And that's a breakdown.